Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome to a new video. So, we today are playing Bloxport as normally. I miss Bloxport. Sino ka? Red suited pirate, human weapon. Weapon ka pala? Yeah, bend over for that. Bend over for daddy, bro. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You better like that. Phew. Look at me, bro. Imagine seeing some random noob looking like this. And that is me, bro. Sheesh, I'm still a noob, but I look kinda cool. Nice. We are a third C and I'm just playing around, yeah. Tagal ko na hindi pa nag-grind. Kaya level 2,260 pa lang ako. Bro. Bruh! Look at my stats. Looking like a freaking zat. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sheesh. Yung iba max na. Yeah, baby. You wanna know what's other baby? No. Ang dilim. Di pa ako nag-grind. Sorry, use the Tayabin Juice Dragon Taiwan. I just bought this like 10 seconds ago. That's why I have no fragments. Oh, si Vegeta! Si Vegeta! Si Vegeta! Si Vegeta tayo. Si Vegeta. Si Vegeta. Si Vegeta. 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 Tayo natin si Vegeta. Who the hell is Arbitos? No, I forgot they changed Vegeta guy. And he looks uglier now. Bro looks like he's been alone for years. Bro looks like he's acting like the main character. Why did you change my bro Vegeta? Vegeta. Ako na mag-pronounce. Sakit. Nice. Meteor ulit? Saan yung meteor ko? Meteor? Meteor! Ayun. Imagine seeing some random noob trying to be a pro and looking like this. And acting like he has true dual katana. Like, bro, what? What? Bruh, I haven't upgraded this yet. Only Blizzard. You look at me. Bro, ba't ako human weapon ano ka? Ano kasi si Gacha, I mean Sun Guy. Gojo be like, yo, what's up? You wanna know how much I love you? Now give me that damn smart pills. Ay, Mammoth, Spider, Quake, Go, Eagle, Diamond, Robert. Really, bro? Really? 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 Pangit. Eh. Mammoth, Spider, Quake, Creation. Ano? Tell me in the comments if it's... Ooh! Mas malaki pa. Tell me in the comments if this is a W or a big L. Damn, bro! Damn, he looking zesty! Damn! You look like a big... Wait, is that Venom getting rework soon? PvP? Oh hell yeah, bro! Oh hell yeah! Wait, how do I PvP again? Ay! Okay. Ooh! Mag-PvP sila. Tingnan natin. Panoodin natin. Wait lang, kain muna ako. Yeah. Is that the spammer fruit? Spammer OP? Yo! T-Rex, I mean, Big Leopard versus Big Yeti. Yo! Spammer versus Spammer be like. Anong klaseng aim yun? Uy, takbo! Si Kalbo! Wow, that was wonderful. Ay, ba't ako? Ang ganda ng aim mo, pre. Mahirap mag-control sa, sa mobile. Years later, I got a PC. Yeah. Bro, this is the best PvP ever. Uy, Hell McDonald's! Uy, gagi, may portal. Ay, uy, ba't ako? Patay. Kalbo. Halika dito! Ay. Halika dito! Be a good boy and go here, bro. Come here, you ugly shit. Ano HP niya? Ang Hindi pa din tayo naka-damage. Uy, gagstig. Umaano na siya. Hindi na siya. Saan yun? Oh, hell no! Yo! Chill, bro, chill! I don't even have that yet. Bro, chill! I'm trying to protect my bounty, bro! GG, bro, GG. GG. Oh, I thought I was gonna win. Did you think I will quit, bro? Did you think? Come here, you. Come here, bro. Come here. You know that I like you. Uy, ba't tayo pumunta dyan? Oh! Paano natin siya na? Oh! Ay, chill. Bro. Saan na kayo? Uy! Ay, ang sakit. Ang sakit. Ay, ang sakit. Ha! I'm flying away. Holy team. The holy team of the century. Di natin nabutan. I'm back, bros. Step brother, I'm stuck. What the hell was that? Did I just turn invisible? Reset na lang nga tayo. Yan, reset tayo. Holy team keep running. Ha? Sino yun? Sino si Holy keep running? Are you cheating on me? Oh, by the way, use that. Can I ask who the hell is? Teamer, sino ka team niya? Hacker LOL? Sino yun? Saan na yun? Saan na yung message? I know, it exists. Tara na nga, alis na nga tayo dito. Ang papangit niyo eh. Really, bro? Ang ganda ng aim mo. Mas maganda pa yata eh. Come here, bro. Come here. I just wonder, how are they so good? Dang, you're rich! Hell no, bro. You're looking like cyborg. Because you're cyborg. Look at this, bro. Did you guys remember the katana glitch? Katana ba ako? Ayoko eh. Wala nga. How the hell we do not have Okay, bye-bye na. Joke lang, hindi ako bakla, bahala kayo dyan.